In this video, you'll learn how to add a YouTube video in Notion. By following these steps, you will enhance your Notion pages with engaging video content, which can improve the visual appeal and interactivity of your documents. Begin by navigating to Notion in your web browser. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the page where you would like to insert the video. It is beneficial to decide on the exact placement for the video, as positioning can affect the overall layout of your content. This preparation ensures a seamless addition of the video. Next, you will need to obtain the link to the YouTube video you wish to embed. Open a new tab and go to use, then find the video you want to use. Click on the video to play it and copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. With the link now copied, return to your Notion page to proceed with the insertion. After returning to Notion, paste the copied YouTube link directly into the page. Once the link is pasted, a small menu will appear offering options for embedding the video. Select the option that says Embed Video. This action will convert the link into an embedded video player on your page, making it visually appealing and easy to interact with. At this point, you can resize the embedded video if necessary. Click on the edges of the video player to adjust its size according to your preferences. Ensuring that the video fits well within the layout of your page is important for maintaining a clean and organized appearance. Finally, check the video playback to ensure it functions correctly. If you need to adjust the placement of the video, you can click and drag it to your desired location. Once you are satisfied with the setup, remember to save the changes to your page. If you wish to share this page with others, you can do so by using the sharing options available in Notion. This step confirms that the video has been successfully added and is ready for viewing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.